Feeling uncomfortable and puffy? Wondering how to get rid of bloating fast? You're not alone. Bloating can be a real nuisance, but don't worry. Today we're diving into simple and effective tips to help you banish that bloated feeling quickly. Let's get started. Number 1. Drink warm water. Dealing with excess gas can be frustrating. One quick solution is to drink warm water. This simple act may stimulate your digestive tract and help move the gas out. Whether you prefer a cup of tea or hot water with lemon, warm water can be your best friend in easing bloating. So next time you feel gassy, grab a warm drink and feel the relief. Number 2. Focus on quality sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is essential for regulating your metabolism and digestion. When you don't get enough rest, your body can't heal and recover properly, leading to sluggish digestion and increased bloating. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to keep your digestive system functioning smoothly. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine and maintaining a consistent sleep schedule can also help improve your sleep quality. Prioritizing sleep can make a significant difference in reducing bloating and enhancing your overall well-being. Number 3. Move your body. Incorporating movement into your daily routine can significantly reduce bloating. Physical activities like walking, yoga, or even gentle stretching help stimulate your digestive system and move gas through your intestines. Regular exercise promotes overall digestive health and helps prevent the buildup of gas that causes bloating. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity each day. Whether it's a brisk walk after meals or a short yoga session in the morning, staying active can make a big difference in how you feel. Number 4. Reduce your alcohol intake. Alcohol can be a major contributor to bloating. Not only does alcohol itself cause bloating, but the salty snacks that often accompany happy hour can add to the problem. If you're feeling bloated, consider cutting back on alcohol and see how your body responds. You might find that reducing your intake makes a big difference in your overall comfort. Number 5. Reduce or eliminate dairy. Dairy can be a culprit behind belly discomfort, especially if you're lactose intolerant. The best way to avoid dairy-related bloating is to skip it altogether. Avoid cheese, milk, and other dairy products to prevent excess gas and bloating. Experiment with dairy-free alternatives to see if they help you feel better. By reducing or eliminating dairy, you might notice a significant improvement in your digestion and overall comfort. Number 6. Slow down. Eating too quickly can trap air in your digestive system, leading to bloating. Chewing slowly can help minimize this effect. Also, be mindful of other habits that might introduce extra air into your system, such as drinking through a straw, chewing gum, or sucking on candies. Slow down, enjoy your meals, and notice the difference in your bloating levels. Number 7. Drink more water. Staying hydrated is key to preventing bloating. Drinking water helps flush out extra salt from your system, which can cause that puffy feeling. Keep a water bottle with you throughout the day and make sure to drink water consistently. Staying well hydrated can help you feel lighter and less bloated. By drinking more water, you can support your digestive system and maintain overall health and well-being. Number 8. Avoid gas-producing foods. Some foods are notorious for causing gas and bloating. If you're prone to bloating, it might help to reduce your intake of these foods. Common gas-producing foods include beans, peas, broccoli, celery, carrots, Brussels sprouts, lettuce, cabbage, carbonated drinks, cauliflower, fruits like apples, peaches, apricots, bananas, and pears, onions, artificial sweeteners, whole-grain foods, mushrooms, legumes, and potatoes. One helpful trick is to chop and cook these veggies to help break down their cell walls, making them easier to digest. You don't have to eliminate these foods from your diet completely, but being mindful of their effects can help you manage bloating better. Bloating can be a real pain, but with these simple tips, you can find relief fast. Drink warm water, get quality sleep, slow down while eating, stay hydrated, and watch out for gas-producing foods. By making these adjustments, you'll be on your way to feeling lighter and more comfortable in no time. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.